At YouBar, we develop and manufacture innovative protein bars so that other brands can bring their ideas to market fast.
What we believe at YouBar is it's all about what you want. What can we make that would really fit your idea, your dream of an ideal product out in the marketplace?
We offer a full turnkey solution here. We handle all of the boring stuff so that it allows our clients to focus on brand development and creating a brand that's going to have enormous market value.
A core thing for YouBar is really our flexibility. We have clients that started off ordering just 5,000 bars. They then went to 50,000. They went to $250,000, then $500,000, and now they're ordering many, many millions, in the tens of millions of bars at a time. So we love to be able to scale with our clients and take them all the way to the point where they're being bought out by the largest CPG brands out there.
What they're doing is that they are using their marketing expertise to figure out what consumers want, and then they're utilizing our expertise from a food standpoint in order to bring that concept to market.
Our first core value is all about innovation, coming up with the coolest new formulas. That could be newest ingredients that we're introducing, newest dietary and macro trends, the newest packaging formats, and even newest styles of products to really push the envelope of what is going to be big next.
I'm at the cutting edge of what's happening in this space, and yet I'm surprised on a daily basis by the awesome ideas that my clients bring to me. And it really makes me just love my job.
We want you to sell as many bars as you possibly can. Your success is our success. And we're there every step of the way because when it strikes big and it strikes fast. And we love seeing those waves happen.